Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here, and I just wanted to do a quick recap on my weekly profits. As you guys can see here, I have profited $507.01. Overall, a really great trading week for me past week, and I'm really happy with my progress. And again, it's all about consistency, and that's what I'm trying to keep up. So if you take a look here on October 21st, which is on the Monday, I profited $80.19. And moving on to October 22nd, we went up a little more to $142.67 or 0.23%. And then I saw an area for opportunity for me to do a swing trade. So I decided to get back in the stock and just swing on the October 23rd all the way to the 24th, bringing our profit right up to $507. So again, overall, a great trading week for me. And usually I don't do swing trades, but if the setup is pretty clear to me, I will take it. Otherwise, I just do day trade and I just stick to my my strategy. What I do is I mainly stick to one stock, and that stock is actually Amazon. And overall, you guys remember for last week, Amazon had their earnings, and let's just go here to my trading history here. You guys can see that if I go to the show more right here on October 21st, as pointed out, I usually trade 30 shares and I make sure and I sell on that same day. Again, moving on to October 22nd, like I said, I bought and I sold on that same day, and then I bought back in where I saw an area for opportunity for me to actually swing trade on that day, and then I sold out all the way until October 24th, bringing our profit up to $507. So as far as Amazon earnings, I don't play that because I just I've in the past I've done like Google and Apple earnings, and I've been bad lucky with it. So meaning that every time I go into the earnings and then the stock shoots down, I'd have to wait and then I'll become a bag holder. And again, this is why I'm trying to be a better trader, whereas I can just buy and sell on that same day or just do a swing trade. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with my consistency. And even if I go to my monthly chart here, you guys can see that 2.12% over in the past month or so, which is $1,314.59. And yeah, again, I'm blessed enough to just be able to have a strategy that works for me. And in the meantime, I'm also practicing on Thinkorswim on the TD Ameritrade network. And when I feel comfortable enough, I'm going to be moving my funds from Robinhood into that account, and then I'll be growing my my trading account higher and higher. So yeah, this is my weekly recap, and I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. This is YouTube. You guys know what to do. Peace.